Hello guys, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Hamster Kombat account. Let's get started. First, open Telegram. Open the Hamster Kombat announcement channel. Then tap on play. Let the game load. Now tap on the setting icon at the top. Tap on delete account. Tap on delete account again. One last time, tap on delete account to confirm your action. And that is how to delete Hamster Kombat account. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.